Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We're working on a 2009 Nissan 370 Nismo Edition. First thing you can notice here, we did some red accents on the wheels, factory rims, on the front and back. We did a flip strip, contoured strip so it doesn't bow. The tint there. Did the Pioneer 910, AVIC 910 with the nav. Yeah, custom dash kit. Basically built it, used the factory dash, built a little trimmer in it. Looks a lot better than the aftermarket dash kits. Got the Pioneer speakers in the doors here, component set with the tweeters. There's a little Nismo badge. There's little serial numbers there. We'll go over here to the back. Went ahead and kept everything looking factory back here. As you can see, factory floor mat. We raised this floor up about an inch. Did a single sub. There's 112 back here. Got all vinyl wrapped. A little motorized amp rack. JBL 1004 amp. 80 technology sub, about 0.9 cubic foot. It's actually a little bit bigger than we're supposed to do. We run between 0.7 0.8 on those whoopers. We got some neon lights down there that when the amp rack comes up, there's a pin switch that turns those on and off. So when it goes up, it turns the neons on. It goes down, it turns them off. So it's basically a factory look. If somebody looks back there, you won't be able to see anything. And the cover goes right back on it. It came out pretty sweet. Took us about 2.5 days or so to build it. But there's our phone number, Jacksonville, Florida. You can come check us out. Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville. We're working on Gator's Nissan 370z Nismo Edition. We already did a couple of things to it. We're building a little custom system in it. We did the Pioneer AVIC 910. Kept the factory dash, so we didn't have to get a kit. So it looks pretty flush in there. Looks real good. Used the factory dash, no kit. Did the Pioneer speakers in the doors with the tweeters. So we're gonna go ahead and add an amp to it and a sub in the back. Do a little bit of fiberglass work. Maybe throw some neons in there. A couple little things. But here's the factory trunk, and as you can see, obviously you got the spare tire and everything down there. So we'll see what we can dream up, do a little something sweet in here, nothing too extravagant. Alright, now we went ahead and took out the spare tire, got everything out. Here's something for a spare tire. It's actually an 18, all black, pretty sweet, special edition spare tire. Temporary use only. Got everything out there.
We got Smoke and Jay getting ready to work on the car.
Smoke and Jay, smoking cigarettes. Alright, now I'm mocking up the system here. We're going to do a JBL 1004 amp and an 80 Technologies 12 turmoil sub. Working real small box, 0.7 cubic feet. It makes it real deep. So if you got a application that you need a small enclosure in, like a truck or hatchback or something small, that will work perfect. Alright, now I went ahead and cut a couple pieces there just to space it up. A little over a 1/4 inch. We're going to do a 3/4 inch floor and then a 1/2 inch piece of wood that motorizes up. So I went ahead and did that and put a little hinge in here. And put the hinge in there and motorize it. Pretty sweet. So. Alright, now I went ahead and put the hinges in there and put the board on there and lined everything up. Measured it about 10 times. So that board will motorize up. There's the hinge. There's the motor and the amp rack. Comes down, sits on that ledge right down there. Alright, been working on a little bit more. Got the actuator mounted in there. Ready to push up the panel. There's the enclosure, starting it. Got fiberglass at the bottom. We got it hinged here. We'll put the JBL amp down there. Alright, we got the amp rack and everything in. It's about midnight. Working kind of late. Alright, Jay, hit it. So we'll have our sub in our box down there. Fiberglass, 0.8 cubic foot. JBL amp. You can see from the side here. Just a little dual hinge. Alright. And that's it for now. Alright, we're working on the vinyl wrap in here. We got everything test fit. Everything works good. Got the vinyl, black vinyl. Got the speaker cutout, subwoofer cutout up there. We're going to do a little grill and everything. Alright, we've been working a little bit more on the box. We got some fiberglass going on here. We got the vinyl wrapped on the little amp rack. A little bit dirty because Jay's been sanding on it. But you know, we got the car all protected here, so we don't get anything messed up. We got the latching relays wired up. Of course, we got to straighten the wires up, so we're getting there. Alright, Jay's been working on these trim panels, putting everything in there. That's where the grill is going to be. Subwoofer down there, amp. Getting there. Alright, here we are, vinyl wrapping the panels. Got black vinyl. Waiting on the glue to dry. Alright, we've been vinyl wrapping. Got a couple panels vinyl wrap. Got the box carpeted. We'll put a layer of vinyl over the box. Alright, here we are. Another late night. We got some more done. We got the pieces of vinyl wrap. Got the amp in there. Amp's all wired up. Got the sub in there. Did a little bit of perforated vinyl. Put some neon lights in there. Glowed up a little bit. Got the wires all zip tied nice and neat in there. Put a little push button underneath this panel here for our actuator. And then we hook the neon lights up to the pin switch underneath there. So when the amp comes up, turn the neons on and off.